Hey there, do you ever catch yourself picking up your phone for just a minute? Then suddenly, it's been an hour and all you've done is doom scroll or watch videos you barely remember? Yeah, me too. The average person spends over 3 hours a day on their phone, often without even noticing. But what if you could take back control without having to delete all your favorite apps? Let's break the cycle together. Step 1. Face the truth. Before you make any changes, you have to know where your time is actually going. Check out your screen time on iPhone or digital well-being on Android. It's eye-opening, trust me. Take a look at which apps are eating up your day. Ask yourself, is this really how I want to spend my time? Then, set a daily limit for those distracting apps. Your phone will give you a nudge when you're close to your cap. Step 2. Silence the distractions. Every ping, buzz, or badge pulls your focus away from what matters. Head into your settings, find notifications, and just turn off anything that isn't essential. I keep notifications for messages, calls, and my calendar. Everything else? Gone. And if you're working or need to focus, hit Do Not Disturb mode. Step 3. Make your phone less appealing. Here's a weird but effective one. Switch your phone to grayscale mode. All those bright colors are designed to get your attention. Without them, your phone suddenly feels kind of boring. On iPhone, go to Settings. Accessibility, display and text size, color filters. On Android, it's under Accessibility, color correction. Pro tip, set up a quick shortcut to toggle grayscale on and off. Step 4, hide your temptations. Move all the distracting apps, social media, games, whatever sucks you in, into a folder called Time Wasters and shove it to your last home screen or bury it deep in your app drawer. It sounds simple, but making those apps harder to reach gives you an extra moment to pause before you fall into the rabbit hole. Step 5. Build a phone-free routine. Try avoiding your phone for the first 30 minutes after you wake up. Keep it away while you eat. And at night, charge your phone outside the bedroom. Fill these gaps with something better. Read a book, jot down some thoughts, or take a quick walk. The more you practice, the easier it gets. Step 6. Use app timers or focus modes. Both iPhone and Android let you set daily limits for specific apps, or activate focus mode to block distractions for a set time. I set a 30-minute limit for social media each day. Once the timer's up, the app gets locked and it's way less tempting to go back in. Step 7. Replace scrolling with something smarter. You don't have to delete your apps, just swap out some of that scrolling time for a podcast, a language lesson, a few pages of a book, or even a quick workout. I keep a note on my phone with go-to alternatives for when I'm tempted to scroll. It helps a lot. Here's the thing, you don't have to quit your phone cold turkey. Small changes add up, and you'll reclaim hours every week for things that actually matter to you. So, which tip are you going to try first? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how you're taking back control of your phone time. And if you found this helpful, share it with a friend who could use a digital detox. Want more productivity tips? Hit subscribe for weekly insights. Thanks for watching.